Today we are going to start our Unit 6. We have discussed Unit 5 in detail, in which we have studied about paints. Today we are going to start our new unit. The name of the unit is Unit number 6, Numbers and Data. Twice long ago. Twice long ago. In this lesson, in this unit, we are going to learn how to put words and numbers into the computer. We will learn what we are going to learn, boys. We are going to learn the numbers and words. How can we put them in the computer? How to change words and numbers stored on the computer. So if we have already stored something in the computer, how can we change it? How can we modify it? Or if there is any error, like in paints, we were using eraser. So here, how can we change the number or the words? Okay. Computer can store numbers. Computer can work out the answers to the sum. So if we give computer a question of addition plus sum, so he is going to solve the question and it is going to give us the answer. That is why computer can work out the answers to the sums. Sum means plus, addition, like this, plus. So if we are going to give any question in the computer, computer can solve the question and give us answer. What kind of toys do you think children had long ago? So before, nowadays we have mobiles, we have tablets, we have different types of 3D toys, but before the people, the students or the children's had 3D have simple toys, as you can see in the picture, cars, teddy bears, and the toys that are made of fabric. So children's, they used to play with such kind of toys. Here on next page, page number 85, you can see there are different kinds of dolls. Your teacher will say the names of different toys children played with long ago. Put your hand up if you like the toy. Which toy gets the most hands up? So here are different toys, different types of dolls, different types of teddy bear that children's they used to play with. Before the mobile and games, they used to play with such toys and such dolls. They used to play with planes, cars, and different things. Lesson number 1, toys from the past. You will learn how to find numbers and using countings, how to record your answer. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to learn how to add numbers to the computers and arrange them in the record. Arrange them in the record. Counting. Imagine you are archaeologist. This is archaeologist. Archaeologist is a person who finds out about the past by digging up things people have made. Nowadays, what are archaeologists? They dig the earth, they dig the different places where people they used to live, and they find out the traces of people who are not on the earth, but they have made some different kinds of things they used to find it. Digging up things people have made, they go on digs to find old things. Why they dig the earth? They dig the earth to find some of the old things. Imagine you are on a dig and you find some old toys. It happens when you go in such places where the people used to live before, and you go dug the place, you find different types of things. So here the writer is saying, if you go there and you find some old toy, what you are going to do? Obviously, you are going to bring it in the home, and you are going to know the toy, and you will learn how to play with such toy. Maybe for 2 or 3 days. After that, you might find it boring, because now it is, you people know how to play games on mobiles and tablets. So such toys are nowadays boring for children's, because they want to have different games on the computer. So here are, look at these old toys you have found. Look, here are different kinds of toys that we, or if you ask from your parents, they used to play with such toys like train, teddy bears, horses, blocks, again blocks, cars, train engine, blocks, different balls. Write the word ball next to it. Write down how many balls you see. Okay, now what you are going to do, it's an activity, boys. Use your pencil and write about with the balls. Ball. This is ball. Then again near to this, there is big ball. So we have two balls here. Write the word car next to it. Write down how many cars you see. Here is the car, one, C-A-R, car. So tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me that how many things, how many cars you see. Here is only one car. There are other things like trains. We have two, horses, one, two, and three. But the balls we have two, and the car we have one. Moving on to the next lesson, cells. Our spreadsheets. In this lesson 6.2, we are going to learn what a spreadsheet is, how to choose a cell in a spreadsheet. This is actually a new software that we are going to use in this unit. The name of this software is Microsoft Excel. So I am writing it in the chat section. M-I-C-R-O, Microsoft Excel. So this is the name of wait, I'm going to send the message again because it only went to the few people. See, in your chat section, there is I am going to send here. This is the name of the software that we are going to use in this lesson, in this unit, sorry. So What a spreadsheet is, we are going to learn what a spreadsheet is, how to choose a cell in a spreadsheet, okay? A spreadsheet looks like a grid on the screen. There are lines and boxes. Each box is called cell. This box is called cell. Here are letters. Up here we have letters like A, B, C, D, okay? And here on the left side, we have numbers. What we have on the left side, boys, we have different kinds of number. You can name each cell using letters and numbers. We can name each cell. We can write names of each cell by giving them different names here with the letters and numbers. The first box, the name of the first box is, a cell is A1. The cell is in the A column. The cell is in a row 1. So now look to me, look what I'm going to do. I am going in the start button and there I am going to write Microsoft Excel, the name I have sent to you in the chat section. Here, see, this is called a grid. This is a grid. And here, this each box is called cell. Each box is called cell. This is called cell. This is cell. Here are letters. On the top, we have letters. Letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, so on. And on the left side in the corners, we have numbers. Numbers and letters. When we select one, like here, when I select one cell, what is the name of this cell? It is in E column. This is called column like this, and it is in 5th row. So here you can see the name of the box, name box. Look, here is the name box. What is the name? E5. First, we are going to write a letter and then we are going to choose a number, column and row, column and row. Do you understand, boys? Here, if you will select any other, all the cells will come with different name. Here you can save numbers and letters, okay? Here you can save numbers and letters. Here, you can change the language from top. Here, you can choose a different language, different writing style, sorry, and size of the number. So I am using 10 to make it simple. And here you can choose top align, middle align, or bottom align. So make it anything you like. So here I'm going to write first name. In our class, the first roll number is for Abdurrahman Ahmed is the first roll number. So I will write in the first box, Abdul Rahman Ahmed. So this is, I have stored the name of first student in the first box. So what is the name, cell name? Here will come the cell name, and here the data we are going to put, the letters we are going to put in the cell. So where I have put the name of Abdurrahman Ahmed in first cell. The number of the name of the cell is A1 because it is in a column and one row. Okay. If, for example, I'm writing here Ahmed, Ahmed, Ahmed. So C, it is in F, letter number, name letter F, and row number 4 here. So here it comes F4. In F4, I have written Ahmed. F4, Ahmed, I have written. In C6, I am going to write what? I am going to write Sultan, Sultan. So I have written Sultan. Now I forgot where I have written Sultan. So when I will click on here, look, here is the name of cell where I have written the name of Sultan. And what is the name of cell? C6. Here is the C and here is the 6. C6. Understand, boys? Do you understand what that each box is a cell? Here are letters and here are numbers. The cell is A and the column is, row is 1. Select a cell, move the mouse pointer or to a cell. The mouse pointer looks like a cross. Click the left mouse button, you select the cell. Select means you have to choose the cell. Here is the name of the cell. As I have showed you in the Microsoft Excel, the name comes on the corner here up. Select B2 is selected. Cell B2 has a dark border. Column B and row 2 are shaded. Move the mouse pointer to each cell A1, C3, EB, B4, and F10. Click to select each cell. Coming back to the software here. Here is the name of the cell that we select here. And here comes anything that we write. So here, when you will move, it will become black and you can write inside any number, or if you want, you can write the letters as well. So from A1, I'm going to write Ahmed, Abdurrahman Ahmed. So I will write A and A. A for Abdurrahman, A for Ahmed. Okay, then we have Abdul Aziz Malik. So M, okay. Like this, so on, we are going to mention the names. For example, going to click on the cell, it is going to be selected. So now what is your task, boys?